To use a SIM card on your Motorola phone, you first need to know how to insert the SIM card properly. This article explains the steps you need to take to insert your SIM card into your Moto phone. We'll also talk about potential issues you may encounter during the process and give you some helpful tips to ensure the process goes as smoothly as possible. Where is the SIM card on a Motorola phone? The SIM card tray is under the Motorola phone's back panel. Remove the plate using the grooves on the bottom of the device. How to put a SIM card in a Motorola phone for newer phones. First, find the SIM card slot. Find the SIM card tray on your Motorola device. It is usually on the phone side. Open SIM slot. Use a SIM card eject tool or a small clip to gently insert it into the small hole next to the tray. Open the tray by applying slight force. Place the SIM card in the SIM card tray. Take out the SIM card and make sure the gold contacts are facing down. Align the grooved edge of the SIM card with the corresponding groove in the tray. Carefully place the SIM card into the tray, ensuring it is securely seated in the designated area. Slide the tray back slightly. Once the SIM card is positioned correctly, gently push the tray back into the phone until it is fully inserted. You should feel a slight click once it is in place. Ensure the tray is flush with the surface of your phone and has no gaps or misalignments. How do I insert a SIM card into a Motorola phone? For older phones, the following steps contain instructions on inserting one or more SIM cards into your older phones. Turn off your phone. Remove the back cover. Remove the battery. Insert the SIM into the SIM slot. Insert the battery. SIM has been inserted. How to insert a SIM card into Moto G and Moto E. To insert a SIM card into Moto G and Moto E, follow these steps. Power off your phone. You must power off your Moto G or E before inserting the SIM card into your phone. You can power off your phone by pressing and holding the power button and following the instructions on screen. Remove the back cover. The SIM card slot for Moto E, and Moto G is under the rear cover. So you must remove the back cover to access the SIM card slot. Insert SIM card. Insert the SIM card as shown below with the gold contacts facing down. The SIM card should click into place. If your phone is a dual SIM model, insert a second SIM card similar to the one below. For a dual SIM Moto G or Moto E, you don't need to insert a SIM card into slot 2 if you want to use one SIM card on your phone. Check out this guide on using dual SIM cards. The SIM card should click into place. Which SIM card do I need for my Motorola smartphone? Make sure you're using the correct size SIM card. Depending on the smartphone model, there are 3 main sizes of SIM cards used today: Nano SIM, Micro SIM, and Standard SIM. The only difference is the border size around the chip, which allows the SIM to fit into different phone models. The size of the SIM card depends on your smartphone's make and model. Most newer smartphones use Nano or Micro SIM, while some older phones use Standard SIM. How do I know if my phone has no SIM? If your device does not have a SIM, you will see a no SIM icon in the notification bar when you turn on the device. Conclusion: inserting a SIM card into your Motorola smartphone is easy, but it can seem unclear if you've never done it before. To get you started, we have described the different types of SIM cards, along with step-by-step instructions on adequately inserting a SIM card into your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.